Good morning. Welcome to the third episode of On the Mic. My name is Mike Albee, and this is Jonathan Solorzano. We're both licensed attorneys in Arizona, and what we're here to do is provide free legal information based on frequently asked questions that we receive from clients. Please understand that this is not legal advice, and we are in no way forming an attorney-client relationship. What we're talking about today is our flat fee billing structure. Now, Jonathan, I understand you bill mostly on a flat fee basis. Is that correct?
I do in immigration cases. When we do personal injury, we do it on a contingency basis, but today we'll be focusing on flat fees.
So why do you bill on a flat fee for your immigration cases?
For immigration, we do flat fee because that way the client knows exactly how much he's going to spend and can budget accordingly. They know how much our costs are going to be and how much the government costs are going to be.
Are the government costs substantial?
They can be. In immigration, they can range from $200 to up to $2,000 or $3,000, so depending on the case. Yeah.
Do you find that helps your practice?
It does, because that way the client knows that they can count on us and ask us as many questions as they want and come in and see us without the fear of having to be paying us on an hourly basis. What about you in family law?
I also bill on a flat fee basis. I do so kind of similar reasons, actually. I went through my own custody dispute, and we went through 2 or 3 or 4 different settlement conferences, and there was no resolve. And the reason why, and I firmly believe the reason why, is because the attorneys just wanted to put more money in their pocket. So I took that over into my practice, and now I bill on a flat fee basis because, like you said, I never want a client calling me or worried about, oh my gosh, he's going to start billing me or he's going to set the timer. I would much rather a client call me at 10 o'clock at night than call their ex arguing and fighting and starting something that could be disrupting to our case.
Yeah, so you'd rather have them call you and get the advice from you instead of doing something that could be very detrimental. That's good.
That's exactly it.
That's good.
That's exactly it. I'd rather the client be safe than worry about my pocket.
Yeah, with flat fees too, also in Arizona, there's an ethical rule where even though it's a flat fee, the clients are entitled to receive some of their money back if for something happens where they have to fire the attorney or the case doesn't move forward. So that also, I think, gives the client some sort of confidence in that they're getting a fair shake.
Yep, that's exactly it. We still hold our hours accountable, and we're still open to refunds if the client doesn't believe that there's value. And I think one thing that I carry in my practice, and I think you do as well, is we make sure that the client is going to be receiving value. And if not, then I don't really know if I'm doing much of a service anyway.
That's very important, because that's part of the reason why we're doing these videos, is to provide some sort of value, some sort of orientation, so that you can get a handle of the kind of things that you're going to ask your attorney once you meet with him. And we strongly advise or encourage you to meet with an attorney before making these big decisions.
That's exactly it. So join us next time on the mic, episode 4, where we will be talking about something else.
And we have a choreographed send-off.
It's pretty good.